Today we're going to take a look at the AIRMATIC suspension in this 2018 GLS 550. Thanks to a simple operation by means of the controller in the center console, the driver can easily and quickly select from various agility select programs. In concert with the air suspension, this also gives significant adjustment options for the suspension in addition to the steering system, the engine, and the transmission. The sport suspension included with AIRMATIC allows raising the ride height on poor roads. A possible spread of up to 4 centimeters lets the drivers gain additional ground clearance while stationary and while driving. Another benefit of the AIRMATIC suspension shown here in the GLS 550 is in case if one forgets to lower the car back down before entering the highway, once the car reaches 60 miles per hour, the AIRMATIC suspension will automatically lower both the front and rear to improve aerodynamic efficiency. Whether it's a bumpy country road or a modern motorway, the AIRMATIC suspension adapts to the prevailing conditions regardless of the situation. The dampening of each wheel self-adjusts according to the current driving situation and the condition of the road. This happens fast and precisely by the means of 2 separate valves for rebound and compression of each damper. AIRMATIC thereby provides the most maximum ride comfort for any situation.